Hey folks, and welcome to week number 15. So first things first is a sample, is a mini annotated bibliography. I don't give you an assignment for this because it's pretty self-explanatory. We'll take a quick look at the sample. Here's that for each one of your sources, so for every source, you're going to put an MLA formatted works cited entry, so you'll just be able to copy this over to your works cited page when you're done. Okay, what questions the source answers, what those answers are, and then why the source is credible and any possible weaknesses. So things like authorial background, source credibility, study design, and weaknesses. Okay, you do not need to color code this for me, although if you want to, you're welcome to. But just for each source you have, I want to see one of these annotations. Okay, so if you've got 8 sources, I just want you to do 8 of these. All right, if you've got any questions about that one, don't hesitate to let me know. That submission box is right here, the mini annotated bibliography. Again, one for each source that you're going to use in your paper. A video here on writing in the real world, sort of how writing differs from what we were taught, particularly in high school. If, and this is an optional assignment, essay 1, 2, or 3, you want to revise one of those essays and submit that, you can do so right here. And then an introduction for essay 4, there is, as always, I try to give you a sample here, okay? So it's a heavy week of work. You should be working on essay 4 along the way here. Obviously, get your introduction together, but it's really about kind of laying out the sources you're intending on using in your paper. A lot of the information you write in that annotation is going to be something you can then turn around and put into your essay. So this should help cut some work out as a little bit later on, okay? We're getting close to the end. Next week's the last official week of class. We'll do peer review during exam week and submit your final essay, okay? So you've got next week to complete working on writing the essay in reality, all right? As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to let me know.